Hello and welcome to the CSCard tutorial videos. My name is Sergey and today we continue to explore the general settings of CSCard. To access general settings, go to Settings, General. In the previous video, we reviewed some of the basic settings of CSCard. Now it's time to talk about catalog settings and promotions. And the first setting here is Enable Inventory Tracking. Simply speaking, the inventory is the quantity of your products. At the product page, there is a quantity column. This column tracks the number of products left at your store. When somebody buys or returns the product, the number will change accordingly. Now let me show you how inventory tracking works. As a subject for our experiment, we are going to use these pens. For a better demonstration, I'm going to buy 3 of them. Now add to cart, then proceed to checkout. I'm gonna skip some of the steps, that's not important for now. Continue. No, I'm not gonna use the credit card, just phone ordering to make the process faster. Okay, submit the order. Done. Now let's see the result. This is the products page before ordering. Let's refresh the page. Now, instead of 10, we have only 7 pens left. That's how inventory tracking works. If you disable it, you will have to change the quantity of your products manually, and it's not really convenient, I should say. Okay, let's continue to review the settings. The next setting is Allow customers to compare product. I think the title is clear, so let's proceed straight to a demonstration. To compare, you just need to pick up a product and then add it to comparison list. For the demonstration, I will use 2 different TVs. I have already picked up one and now I'm going to pick up another one. After that, we can go to a comparison list page. At this page, we can look through all the features of the chosen products. For example, their thumbnails, their text specifications, their brands, and so on. In my opinion, the comparison function is one of the most useful for today. Now let's go back to the settings page. Allow negative amount in inventory. This is a very peculiar setting. To explain why is it so, let me show you how it works. First, we need to make some preparations. Let's decrease the quantity of these pens from 7 to 0. After we decrease the number, the product will be out of stock and we will not be able to buy it. Now I'm going to enable the setting and show you the difference. Now I'm going to refresh the out of stock product page. And as you can see, despite the 0 quantity, we can now buy this product. Let's do it. To save the time, I'm going to skip the checkout process. Done, the pens are ordered, but the main question, what has happened to the quantity count? To check this, we need to go to products page in the admin panel. This is the products page before negative amount was enabled, and this is after. Pay attention to the negative quantity of the pens. I think administrators can come up with something useful considering this setting. For now, we will continue to review the catalog settings. The next 2 settings, Enable selling downloadable products and download key TTL, are related to each other. CSCard allows you to sell both the material and the digital products. For example, you can sell the digital copies of the books, movies, games and other stuff. After buying something digital, your customer will get a download key, and this is where the second setting comes in handy. It's up to you to decide for how long the key will be valid, for 24 hours, for 48 hours, or you can make the keys completely infinite. Lostock notification threshold. Currently the number of the threshold is 0. That means that when quantity of some product reaches 0, your order department will get an email notification that this product is running low. For a better understanding, let me demonstrate you how it works. First of all, let's raise the threshold up to 5. Second, let's find the product that's running low. As far as I remember, this has got to be one of the MP3 players. Yes, there it is. Let's add it to cart. I'm going to skip the checkout again. After the order was placed, the order department will get two notifications. The first one about the placed order and the second one about low inventory. The email contains the important information about the product, its name, ID, code and quantity left at the stock. With this setting, you will never forget to replenish your stock. Show products from subcategories of a selected category. The title of this setting doesn't sound really clear, but it will become obvious after we disable it. Now let's go to the storefront and choose a category. This is the electronics category page before disabling. And this is after. You can ask, where are all of the products gone? Now, all products are kept in the subcategories. So, to find the desktops, you need to go to computers, desktops. Here they are. All the desktops are right at their subcategory. The utility of this setting depends on the structure of your store. Display modifiers for product options. First of all, I should explain what the options are and what the modifiers are. The options may be the features of a product like size or color, or they might be the additional products like movies or games that come together with Blu-ray players or game consoles. The options can influence the price and the weight of the product, and the modifiers are the numeric expression of this influence. First, let me show you the displayed modifiers. When buying this player, you can choose a movie that comes together with it. This is the option of this product, and the modifiers in this case are those tiny numbers, plus $10, plus $8 and so on. As you remember, I disabled the setting, and after the page was refreshed, the modifiers have become invisible. No, they haven't disappeared. As you can see, they still change the price. The next setting is also related to options. Exception style, what does it mean? Before we proceed with the setting explanation, let me show you the relation between the exception and the forbidden option combination. For this purpose, I chose a Blu-ray player with already created Blu-ray movie option. Options contain the combinations inside them, and now I'm going to create a forbidden combination. In our case, the combinations are represented by different movies. And when, for example, you run out of some movie, you can not just delete it, but rather forbid it from buying by customers. After I created the forbidden combination, I'm going to show you how the exception style works. There are two types of exceptions: hide step completely or show warning on exception. Before refreshing the store page, I'm going to demonstrate you the hide stay completely, but after refreshing, I will demonstrate you show warning on exception. Okay, this is before the refreshing. As you can see, there is no back to a future combination. This is because we added back to a future two forbidden combinations and we chose to hide step completely. And this is after the refreshing. So when we chose to show warning on exception, and the warning is here, unfortunately this combination is not accessible. You cannot add to cart this combination either. What style of exception to choose is up to you. And the last one here, show out of stock products. This setting is an easy way to hide the products that are currently unavailable. Let me show you how it works. For my experiment, I'm going to use the Blu-ray player that we used before. Now I'm going to decrease its quantity down to 0 and then proceed to the category page of the storefront. I will choose this product to demonstrate you that it's out of stock. Back to the settings page to disable the setting. Now we are back at the storefront. For now the Blu-ray player is still here, but now I will refresh this page and voila, it's no longer here. It's hidden because we chose that out of stock products will be disabled and will be hidden from showing to customers. And the last one for today, promotions. Allow customers to use single discount coupon only. What does that mean? It means that customers can use only one coupon per one purchase. By enabling this setting, you will prevent customers from gathering lots of discounts and then buying something with really big discount. For now we have three promotions here: TV discount, free shipping coupon and DVD 5% off. And by default, only one of them will work. So, for example, if a customer decides to buy TV with a discount coupon, he just enters the number and okay, he gets his discount. But then he decides that it's better to buy some to get a free shipping, and he just enters another one, and TV discount is exchanged with free shipping coupon. That's how it works. That's it for today. In the next CSCard video we will finish our tour around the general settings. Thanks for watching and see you in the next CSCard tutorial videos.